Introducing the IBR SD1, the pinnacle of sensor display units designed for the demands of industrial use. The robust aluminium case with rubber shock protection ensures the SD1 thrives in rough conditions, while its high protection class guarantees unwavering performance. Featuring a rotatable display, the numeric values are showcased with unparalleled clarity. But that's not all. The analog display with coloured LEDs vividly communicates the tolerance status of the component. Tailor your SD1 to your specific needs with the user-friendly Windows software. Freely configure functions, activate or remove features, and reset settings to match your unique application requirements. Need a modular solution? Meet the SD1 PH1, a modular dial guide designed seamlessly to work with the IMS measuring probes. For a powerful and efficient display, consider the SD1 CC1 with its ISI bus interface, connecting multiple sensors, foot and hand switches, and tolerance adapters. The IBR SD1 isn't just a product, it's a universal sensor display, allowing you to create your measurement system with ease. Connect to the IBR ecosystem and experience the future of industrial measurements. Head to imeasure.co.uk to learn more and place your order today. Thanks for watching this video from Innovative Measurement Technology. Let's get social. If you'd like to keep up to date with all things IMT, check the link in the video description.